po na mas marami ang errors ng Benilde kaysa sa kalaban nila. And still they won that first set.
Well,
But, tignan natin, Tito John Ray, kung mag-iiba yan, si Garcia yung pumuntos na una.
And I think, alam naman natin ang Benilde pagdating sa atake, napakataas nila. Kumbaga, napaka-aggressive sila eh. So, hindi na ako magtataka kung mas mataas yung unforced errors nila. But still, alam nila kung paano nila tatrabahuhin yung end part ng set.
That's right. Sanay na sanay.
Sanay na sanay.
Itong Benilde Lady Blazers. And again, this is, as we take a look at that error from Rica Blanca, this is a transition year for Coach Jerry Yee. Kasi, okay, the reason why Jade Hintapa is not starting in matches is because he wants to give his other players the experience, the playing time, katulad ni Willen Estoque, para pagka-graduate ng mga seniors niya, may experience na. Sanay na rin sa big game situations yung iba niyang players.
Yeah, that's the good thing with Coach Jerry. Alam niya kung paano gagamitin at kung kailan gagamitin itong mga transition players natin para, gaya ng sabi mo, pagdating ng panahon na gumraduate na itong mga senior players ng Benilde, hindi na mahirap yung adjustments nila sa court.
That's right.
And alam naman natin sa volleyball, Martin, napaka-importante at number one na kailangan ng isang player yung experience, especially sa ganitong klase tournament.
Ganun din yung nangyari pagkapasok nung batch nila Cloan, nila Maika. Sila muna, the veterans came off the bench. That time it was sila Tet Pablo, sila Jewelay.
Tama.
Sila Cloan, sila Pascual ang nagsisimula sa mga laban nun para magkaroon na sila ng experience. Alright. Benilde is rolling here in set number 2. A 4-1 start. Corinne Apostol, who has been playing sparingly in season 99, pinasok kanina, hindi pa inilalabas ni Coach Jerry. At ngayon, pumuntos ng services.
Yep. Medyo nagbalasa lang ng konting players itong si Coach Esteban.
Si Nadine Verses yung pumasok. Nicole Ong is able to stop the bleeding.
Ibang-iba pa rin yung connection nitong si Gohol at si Ong. Lalo na pag may first ball sila.
Ito natin yan kanina. Set number 1. Talagang may karga yung mga quick attack ni Nicole Ong. Verses. Oh, with a service ace. May buenas pa mula sa net.
Akala ko not-over na yun, Martin. But gaya nga nasabi mo, napakahirap kapag ang kakampi mo ay net.
Kailangan bulungan yan ng makuha ng maraming beses pa. Oh, that's a faulty first ball. But here's Estoque. She has 11 points in the match. De La Cruz denied. That's an emphatic block from Benilde.
Well, alam na natin na talagang malakas mag-block itong Benilde. But I think itong si Gohol kailangan niyang dumiskarte. Kailangan niyang paikutin yung mga players niya kasi obvious na babasa nung Benilde yung mga set. Kumbaga nape-predict na nila kung saan ibibigay nitong si Gohol.
That's right. Solid na solid itong net defense ng Lady Blazers. Pascual with a swing. It is 6-3 now. At kapag ganun kasi yung depensa, tapos kumari high ball din yung mga set mo. Laging nakasetup. Expectin mo yung mga blockers itong Lady Blazers.
Ang tatangkad ng Benilde. Hindi mo sila pwedeng bigyan ng mababagal na bola.
Let's see what will happen here. This is a quick, and that's why the quicks of Nicole Ong have been working.
Kung kanina merong Estoque para dito sa side ng Benilde, dito naman sa side ng Mapua, meron naman tayong Ong.
Nandito na rin si Tere Manalo. Another middle blocker off the bench na may palo rin. Pascual! Cut shot for Gale. Kanina si Willen yung pumupuntos ng set number 1 now. This is Pascual's set.
Alam mo, tuwang-tuwa ako kung paano mag-select ng players or attackers itong si Mondoñedo. Laging single block.
Totoo. Manalo. Willen. That one.
Great block. Galing kay Rica Blanca.
So ngayon, check na nila itong si Estoque.
Nung first set, Martin, hindi nila ma-stop itong si Estoque.
Meron pa nga back row hit Uy! Yeah, that's exactly what they didn't need. We head to our first technical timeout. It's a 3-point lead for the Lady Blazers. Pagbalik natin, let's hear an update from our Love De Jesus.
In people's lives. And with this show, I hope that we're able to do that even more.
Definitely, sir.
Sabihin ko na nga, proud ako dun sa... Ginawa niya sa akin kanina eh. Pinaka-proud ako. Hindi, dun sa...
Please be careful.
Dun sa binanggit mo, sa mga binanggit mo. Nag-cover siya ng chess nun. Challenge kay Antonio with Eugene.
Yeah, GM.
Practice siya, di ba, ng online chess? Naglalaro.
Guys,
Hindi namin iniisip yung winning streak this season. 99, lagi lang namin ginagawa yung the best at yung trabaho namin every game. Ayan ang sinabi sa akin ni Chloan from the Benilde Lady Blazers. Talagang umaarangkada sa grupo at sobrang saya raw nila na wala pa rin silang talo. At sana raw ay magtuloy-tuloy. Sa kabilang dako naman sa Mapua Lady Cardinals, no pressure daw. Kahit na ang two-time defending champions yung makakalaban nila today, but they will really make sure na gagawin raw nila yung galaw daw nila. So let's see who will clinch today's game. All for now, Martin and John Vic.
Maraming salamat, Arlove. No pressure sa una.
Tama.
Pero pagkalaban mo na yung Benilde, and you progress along in the match, doon na. Diba? Siyempre, you find yourself down by 4, down by a set against the Lady Blazers. Doon na makikikin yung kaba.
At saka iba din talaga pagkalaban. Ako, na-experience ko na, Martin. I've been playing for NCAA nung college days ko, and pagkalaban mo yung defending champions, medyo may intimidation ng konti. Alam mo yung gigil kang manalo, but nararamdaman mo yung kaba at takot paminsan-minsan.
Kasi alam mong malakas to.
Yeah.
Dito papatalo at experience to. Pero doon, si Roxy De La Cruz down the line. And there is a 3-point lead for Benilde. This is dug up by Roxy. Manalo. Getigan. Apostol. Too strong on the cross court.
Alam mo, kung may hinahanap akong player na mag-step up for Mapua,
Sino?
si De La Cruz.
De La Cruz.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Last season, nung NCAA, sobrang laki nung tulong niya para sa Mapua.
That's right.
Grabe yung puntos every game.
And in the past 2 games, siya rin yung gumagawa
Oo.
para dito sa Mapua. Perses! Too strong. That's the rookie, Nadine Perses, sending that one long. And again, you gotta limit that against the Lady Blazers. Mitch Gamit is back to serve. The graduating Mitch Gamit. She wants to exit the NCAA with another championship. Oh, Reka Blanca. That is denied by Nolasco. Even with the approach, John Vic, hindi pwedeng half-hearted
Hindi.
against the blockers of Benilde.
Kasi kung ako blocker, Martin, tas makikita mong medyo nag-aalangan yung spiker,
No,
expected mo mabablock mo yun.
that's right. That time, Gamit commits the service error. Trek Manalo at the service line, back in her old position as a middle blocker. Naging wing attacker to last year. And she scores an ace. And we know her capability as a wing attacker. Malakas humato itong si Tere.
Tama. Eh, nakakatuwa kay Tere Manalo, hindi lang siya pang-quick, hindi lang siya pang all-around player siya. Kaya niyang gawin yung roles ng ibang positions dito sa volleyball.
Yeah. Better pass. Nolasco seeing the donut hole.
Sa totoo lang, Martin, yun yung mga kumbaga masakit sa puso pag nakikita mo eh. Kumbaga, simpleng bola, mataas naman, but hindi nila nakukuha. Knowing Mapua, maganda naman yung nilalaro nila dun sa mga previous games nila.
Yeah.
Maganda yung floor defense nila, but ngayon, hindi ko nakikita yung floor defense na ina-expect natin from them.
Apostol. Gohol. Backset for Ong. Nasa likod si Astoque. Here's Pascual. Oh, dug up by De La Cruz. Perses. Yes.
Oh.
That drops in for Perses. This is another promising rookie off the bench. Nats Perses mula sa Pampanga, itong probinsya niya. 10-12, so it remains close in set number 2. Gohol with a service ace. Even targeting Estenzo the libero of Benilde.
Minsan yung mga unexpected na mga service, minsan nagugulat din yung mga libero eh. Kasi syempre ina-expect nila na hindi na ibibigay sa kanila yung first ball.
Correct. Ito, pareho, binigay kay Estenzo. Apostol, inangguluhan. That is good for Corinne Apostol. 13-11.
Yep.
Big point for Benilde right there as that prevented Mapua from equalizing the set. Ganda ng serve ni Corinne. Quick attack. Tag up by Mondoñedo. Pascual! Lista mo na para kay Gail Pascual.
Bago ma-approach ito si Gail Pascual, no? Expected mo kung kahit sa part ng blockers, mapapalusot niya yung bola.
Just too powerful. Too sharp yung mga atake nito ni Pascual. Masyado nang malakas ang service doon ni Apostol. 12 serving 14. Let's see if Mapua can inch closer. They were within one earlier. They had a chance to tie. Again,
Good
an
serve.
overpass. Yeah. It's a free ball for the Lady Cardinals. Combination. De La Cruz gets the check ball. So Mapua scores a point.
Isang puntos na lang, Martin, ang inahabol nila. And eto na, yung gusto kong makita for Mapua na mag-step up itong si De La Cruz.
Perses.
Good serve.
Yeah, that's a better first ball. Pascual from the back. De La Cruz denied. Gohol over to Rica Blanca. Off the block she goes. We are all tied up. Got 14 all here in set number 2.
Eto na naman, Martin. Parehas na naman sila ng puntos and tingnan natin kung sino yung aangat sa second set kasi kanina ng first set nag-tie tayo eh.
Yeah.
But sa end part, nagdire-diretso na yung momentum ng Benilde.
Popped up. Free ball. Lady Blazers around the attack. Cloan choosing Estoque, who went for the cross court.
Halos sumiga na si Stoke. Martin.
Grabe yun. That was a sharp angle taken by Willin.
Grabe, no? Nag-letter C siya dun sa ere.
12 puntos para kay Estoque. Cohol to De La Cruz who went for the drop. Covered by Cloan. Pascual deflected. Cohol choosing Ong. Nandun ulit si Mondoñedo. They go back to Willin, who is denied. Nicole Ong had something to say on that Estoque attack. Hindi, Rica Blanca.
Yeah.
Oo. So 15 all. Ong to serve. Estoque from the middle. Quick execution for the Lady Blazers off a good pass. And they are first to the technical timeout. We'll be back after this. Sa ating laban. It's a 1-point lead for the defending champions. And the remaining games for Coach Jerry Yee. Meron pang, after this, tapos na kasi. Arellano tapos na. They won that match.
Yep.
Now they are
Against
Mapua. Sabi yung dalawang sunod, Perpetual and LPU.
Mabigat-bigat din. Pero kung makikita natin yung number of sets nila every game, halos straight sets, no? Isa lang yata yung nakakuha ng sets sa kanila.
San Sebastian pa lang.
And kung sa ganitong klaseng tournament, ayaw na magbigay ng chance ni Coach Jerry kasi minsan nagkakatalo sa quotient eh. Pag pare-parehas kayo ng standing.
minsan, kahit straight sets, nakikita mo, hindi satisfied minsan sa performance si Coach Jerry. Kahit gaano kaganda yung nilaro nitong Lady Blazers. And Manalo able to drop that one in. Oh, Gamit angles that one.
Huh?
17-16.
Stock is serve.
13 puntos para kay Willin. Difficult pass here, De La Cruz. Estenzo with a dig. Apostol. Gohol. Uy! Teka. Gamit! Ooh, too strong. Okay, kanina nakita natin former Lady Cardinals, si Patak at saka si C. Nanonood ngayon.
We're tied at 17.
17 all. Dikitan pa rin, mga kapuso. Apostol! Masyadong malakas. And that allows Mapua to get the lead.
Yeah. Ang tanong, Martin, ma-maintain kaya ng Mapua itong magandang galawan dito sa second set.
Gantong-ganto tayo kanina. Set number 1, Coach Jerry. Pakinggan natin.
May receive naman eh.
Oy, serve receive, attack tayo. Tsaga.
Oh, let's go. Bawi na agad.
Siya tayo makatalo.
Patay tayo. Ay,
Balik sa ating laban, 18-17. Di natin naabutan yung mga sinabi ni Coach Jerry. Kasi mabilis lang. Quick word, bumalik agad siya sa bench. Ayan. Lumapit siya ng konti, bumalik agad siya sa bench.
Oo.
Tapos yung mga players na niya, yung nag-uusap-usap.
Alam mo,
doon.
pangkat lang yung mga ganong klaseng timeout, Martin. Minsan pangkat lang ng momentum yan eh. Kasi nakita natin yung Mapua pataas ng pataas. Itong binild, nag-commit ng errors.
Yan natin. Second set action. De La Cruz, better first ball. Here comes the execution. And Ondangan scores on the running attack.
Kargado yung running attack ni Ondangan.
That's not your usual.
Lakas, no?
Oo.
Natapatan naman ng libero ng Mapua but still hindi pa rin naiangat ng maayos yung bola. Outside.
Sobrang serve ni Ondangan. 19-18. Tarek Manalo will start. Service errors natin. The Lady Blazers have more. 3-1. Nolasco, too strong. They're looking for a check, but it will not be given. So the Lady Cardinals will take the 2-point lead. It's a strange scenario for Benilde committing errors. Manalo. Oh, with a service ace! 21-18. Mapua.
Hindi ko alam kung ano i-react ni Coach Jerry but nakatingin lang siya dun sa mga players niya. Siguro yung question niya habang nakatingin siya, ano ba nangyayari sa inyo?
Correct. Alam mo na, yun yung mga ganyang tingin ni Coach Jerry.
And napaka-rare sa Benilde na mapuntusan ng gano'n, lalo na sa ganitong pa-end part na ng set.
Yan ito, bumawi. Si Jess Adorog able to get the check out here. Montoñedo serves it up, one of the best in the league as well. Ong with the push. Estenzo was there. Pascual sent back. They go to Dorog here, off speed. Inangat ni Rebustes. Back row hit, De La Cruz. Estenzo was there. Nicole Ong takes care of the gimme at the net. It is 22-19.
Hey, ito na. 3 points ahead na ito Mapua sa second set natin. Ma-maintain kaya nila yung taas ng moral nila, Martin.
Pangalawang timeout ni Coach Jerry.
Okay, pag nagbabalikan ng bola, i-control nyo yung bola.
Ha? Iwas error. Laban tayo. 3 spiker tayo sa harap, oh. Bawal lang. Malayo pa rin. Points pa rin.
Kung ikaw ang magma-mic dito kay Coach Jerry, kailangan ta-flash ka
Yeah, oo.
para maabutan mo siya. Again, just a quick word
Or
from Coach
maybe,
Jerry.
or maybe Martin, before siya mag-timeout,
Before siya. Ayun.
dumikit ka na. Bigyan mo na siya ng mic.
Sabihan mo na, no, Coach? 22-19. Oh! Good serve! Pascual. Here's the setup from Mapua. Uy! Tinawid ni De La Cruz. And that opens the door for Binild.
Especially Martin sa end part ng game, hanggat pwede mong ma-maximize yung mga spikers mo, i-maximize mo.
True. But Roxy was thinking that was not her forte to set it up. Oh, better first ball. Rica Blanca puts it down. It is 23-20. Mapua 2 points away from tying the match.
What a great and powerful down the line hit galing kay Rica Blanca. Wow.
Nats Versus to start. Again, a difficult first ball. Estoque punching it through.
Ayaw pa ni Estoque. Ayaw pang ibigay itong second set para sa Mapua.
She has 14 points now with this point. 21-23. Maika Go checks in for the first time to serve. Perses. It's a free ball for Binild. Back set. Pascual. That was deflected. Gohol over to De La Cruz. Outside. We saw, the action from the linesman. 22-23. Baba sa isa ang abante ng Mapua.
Sinet doon sa may dulo. Dapat nanonood ka na. Dapat nga ikaw nagsasalita doon. Natulungan mo yung receive mo eh. Naiset nga, pwede mo atakihin dapat doon sa dulo. Tumigil ka na doon. Dahil nagkamali ka. Hindi pwede. Ginagawan pa ng paraan na kasama mo kung anong pwede pang magawa nila. So, tuloy-tuloy ka lang din. Kaya pag nagkamali, tinulungan na kasama, i-cover na lang na i-cover para makantay. Huwag tayo ng stance.
Dalawa. Tapos tayo. Papasa ka kasi nila. Pasa kayo muna.
Pabilisin na, goal.
That's 2 straight points for the Binild Lady Blazers. Susubukan pigilan dito ni Coach Aying Esteban. Coverage ang inahanap niya, lalo na pag bumabalik sa side nila yung bola. And Maika Go with another good serve. De La Cruz! It is still alive. Estoque! Saved. Roxy again! Oh, it goes out! 23 all. 3 straight from the defending champions.
Yeah. Actually, gusto nilang makita yung replay sana para makita nila kung inside ba yung palo or...
This is a better view. Oh, that looked close. Very close. Verses! Oh! Estoque!
Oh!
Yes! 4 straight from the Lady Blazers. And they're now at set point.
And once again, Martin, because may nagtitake charge man sa College of St. Binild, no other than Estoque.
Mike's. Again, another good serve. Ong! Outside. And Binild completes the comeback in set number 2. 5-0 run from the defending champions to take a 2-0 lead. Maika Go with a good serve. Nicole Ong sends it wide right. And the Binild Lady Blazers now have a 2-0 lead.